UTP stands for Unshielded Twisted Pair. In the mantle of a UTP cable, you will find 8 separate wires. All the wires are twisted in 4 pairs. A connector can be placed on the end of these cables. These connectors are also known as RJ45 plugs. Cat5 was a common Ethernet standard, although it is quite outdated at this point. It is notable as the throughout speed were a nice around 100 Mbps at distance up to 100 meters. Nobody should try to run a network on Cat5 these days, nor are the cables even available for the purchase. The next standard up is Cat6, which are wound more tightly with a nylon spline and shielding to further reduce crosstalk and reduce interference. The obvious advantage of Cat6 cabling is that the throughout bumps up to a ridiculous 10 Gbps, but the detail is that these speeds are limited to 55 meter distances, which is shorter than for Cat5 runs, and at longer distance goes back to 1 Gbps. While the speeds are faster for Cat6 on shorter runs, the downside is that the wires are stiffer, making them more difficult to bend, and the thicker wires are more difficult to terminate. The latest cable on the block is Cat7, which is shielded and requires a GigaGate 45 connection. The speeds are wickedly fast at shorter distance, maxing out at 100 Gbps at less than 15 meter distances and reverting to 10 Gbps at longer distances. The 8-pin RJ45 connector is a standardized interface which often connects a computer to a local network. The abbreviation RJ45 stands for Register Jack 45. Digital jack specifications are related to the wiring patterns of the jacks rather than their physical characteristics. Each end of an Ethernet cable has a connector called an RJ45 connector. A register jack 45 connector is a standard type of physical connector for network cables. The term plug refers to the cable or male end of the connection, while the term jack refers to the port or female end. And that's it. Thank you.